Blessings, my viewers and subscribers. I don't know, this is NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. I don't know, people they are giving thanks to life as usual on a daily basis. Well, my people, right about now, I have a news, not really say a news, but just a thing that took place down in Montego Bay there now, people, involving a pastor and a deacon. And it's where I decided I'm going to just share this little thing with you and give my little views towards it. Because when I read this thing, people, and saw this thing and saw the expression of what this pastor is saying and doing and behaving, people have to just wonder and say, wow, what this world is coming to right now. You know what I mean? Well, people, a pastor has claimed that a Jamaican pastor from down in St. James in Montego Bay has claimed that he has risen a man from the dead. Yeah, him fully believes that him is the man who put back breath through the Almighty and rise this man back from the dead. Because it is said that, people, while on worshiping on Sunday, right, at the church, a deacon was there. He is 72 years old. You know what I mean? The pastor was preaching while the deacon was there listening to the pastor. The deacon said he just feel like he start getting weak. That's what he said. And he said that's the only thing he remember after that, when he was woke up and he was told that he had gone away and something. Well, the pastor said he was there preaching as well, and he saw where the church sister them and brothers like over the deacon because the deacon fell. You know what I mean, people, and him same rush down there, same time when he go down there, him feel the deacon, he got no pulse or nothing, heart, no beat, nothing on him, he was lifeless. Him say him dead, him gone. And him say him work for him thing like through prayers and something, and he said him broke back the deacon to life before the deacon start breathe back and life come back into the deacon. Well, people, them carry the deacon to hospital, and the people them who were spoken to the pastor and everything, they also spoke to the doctors, and the doctor said this deacon, he have sugar, he have high blood pressure, plus he have another sickness, people. You understand? So he wasn't like say 100% healthy person. And in the end, the doctor said what can lead to the cause of this? It can be a stroke, caused by through the blood not really circulating and thing goes to the brain. You know what I mean? That thing will just come and appear on him. You know what I mean? So basically, the doctor is saying you don't think that the pastor really brought back this man to life, because if he was dead, he would be just dead and that's it. Well, people, I'm not saying there can't be miracles or the Almighty can't do things, but in the end, I don't think this pastor really brought back life into this deacon. You know what I mean? Because I'm saying this pastor said he has done it before already, meaning not saying he has risen somebody from the dead, but he said he has performed miracles already. Well, I know pastor do miracles. Of course, it's possible. That's God. You know what I mean, people? But to blow back life in, man, I think God is the only one who can do that. I see those African pastors come forward and they say they do those things, and in the end, they don't do nothing. They lie. But what I'm saying now, people, and to be honest with you, and why I would believe that this pastor is rising this man from the dead. This man is suffering from a lot of sickness complications, meaning, as I tell you, sugar, pressure and all of those stuff, plus other sickness. So why the gift that this pastor have, he can use it to move away the sickness from this man? Because I think that it would be more easier to perform to move the sickness than to rise him from the dead. You know what I mean? Because basically, you rose him from the dead, he's 72 years old, and he have all those sickness again. It will happen again, right? So why could you just use the miracle to move the sickness? So in the end, that's why I really can't believe you. I know it's good, it's good to know that you do think you're gifted that way, and you do have faith in the Almighty, so you're gifted. But in the end, don't tell a lie. You know what I mean? Or what you don't fully know that you have done, don't say you have done it. So from my perspective, my viewers and my subscribers, I don't believe he did that. And I don't know what you all will think. I know you're going to leave your comments in the section and everything towards this thing, but I don't know what you all going to think. But just from my perspective, that's what I'm saying and that's what I'm thinking. So for everybody out there who want to get them views and towards the story, want to leave a comment, can do, you know what I mean, or you can follow a couple sites out there and you can read the full article and you know what I mean, see what's been going on. But from my perspective, you didn't do it, the pastor, I'm sorry. You know what I mean, thank God the life do come back into this week, and that's what they said. The doctor said it's a stroke and it can happen where the body can just be locked down for like couple minutes, you know, but he gonna come back. So that's it, people. So don't know the thing of my viewers and my subscribers. I just wanna big up each and everyone out there who support NEWLINK. Whether they are Bahamas, Grenada, Guyana, Trinidad, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, St. Kitts and Nevis, St. Thomas, Curacao, Cayman Islands, the whole Jamaica, Turks and Caicos, Haiti, Dominican Republic, over the USA, Canada, all of these countries around. Just want to big up on yourself, man. I don't know the thing of people. The whole of Europe, the whole of Africa, everywhere you can think of out there, big up on yourself, you know what I mean? When we Trinidad and Tobago, don't know Aruba, you get me? The British Virgin Islands, them US Virgin Islands, them Guyana, Belize, you know what I mean? So much countries out here in the Caribbean, man. Big up everywhere. If you're not here, I'm big enough. Puerto Rico, don't know about Panama, my people, my Panama, Costa Rica, Honduras, all of my fans them in the North and South America, big up on yourself, see, because I don't know, so NEWLINK, the wings are spread very far, people and people all over the world are tuning into NEWLINK. So enough love and enough respect and to everyone who was a NEWLINK and everyone who are link up NEWLINK, you know what I mean, where they are link up for promotion, for shows, anything, big up on yourself. I don't know where they are people and we say attack. Enough love, people, enough respect. Have a great and blessed one. You don't know today our Thursday. Be good, be great. NEWLINK so that attack.